Today we'll learn about Presto, what it is, why should we care about it. Presto is a SQL query engine, meaning it's basically used to query data. Which type of data? Actually, big data. Big data means when there are terabytes and petabytes and lots of data which cannot be stored on a single machine, Presto is generally used to query them. Is Presto always used? No. When should you use Presto? What is Presto? So Presto is a query engine for big data. It basically supports the SQL syntax, which is one of its forte. So you need not learn any new language. It's generally SQL. It's used to query ad hocly on big data. So basically, if you want a certain particular ID with a certain particular attribute on a very large data set, Presto is one of the key tools that you can use. Other use cases of Presto could be when you have a lot of different data stores and you want to have a join over it, or you want to query them simultaneously. Let's say you have a HDFS storage and a data warehouse and you want to run a single query, a unified query to find data across these storages, then also Presto supports this. So basically it provides a uniform surface to query different big data storage systems. It's super fast for ad hoc and interactive queries. Generally it's used for these types of queries, like simple select for a particular, so you want a row type data like a single entity or a couple of entities or few entities. Generally you would not query the aggregated data, which different other tools are more powerful, more suited for that use case. When you want a fine-grained detailed data and the data size is super large, Presto is your go-to tool. Is it the best tool out there? No, there are other tools like Hive and Spark SQL which do similar kind of things. There are small differences. Like Hive is more friendly towards batch processing. It's slightly slower and it works better with HDFS. Spark SQL is more or less the same thing. Its general use cases have been in the machine learning side, and generally Presto's use cases are in the business analytics side. So BI use cases are generally popular with Presto, but more or less they are the same tool. Given there are fine nuances, but we'll not go there. So that's all. Thank you.